We all are using AI in our daily work. But do you know what is the most annoying part of using AI right now? We ask to write a great article or project plan. AI writes it perfectly. Then we have to copy it. When we paste it into Word, then suddenly font changed into weird types of font and all bullet points are broken, and we also see a gray background and we can't remove it. Then we have to spend many minutes to just fixing formatting of particular document. But here is a good news for you. Google Gemini just dropped a massive update. Now instead of just giving you text, now you can build actual files for you. You can create documents, Excel spreadsheet, PDFs, and different types of files. So in this video, I will show you full demo. So let's start the video. I have opened Gemini in web browser. You can try same thing in Gemini mobile app. Now I am typing prompt to generate a story, and then we will convert a story into PDF, Word and other files. My prompt is generate a story based on tiger and deer friendship. Tap on forward icon and wait for some time. This is the story generated by Gemini. Now I will type prompt to convert this story into PDF form. Here you can see magic of Gemini. Our PDF is ready. Tap on it. Here is amazing PDF created by Google Gemini. You can see all are in proper format. To print this PDF, click on print icon. If you want to download this PDF, click on download icon. Here you can see our PDF is downloaded successfully. Now I am typing prompt to convert this story into Microsoft Word file. So guys, here you can see our Microsoft Word file is ready. Now tap on it to open. So here you can see this Microsoft Word file is very well structured and formatted by Gemini. Now you are going to watch an amazing work of Gemini. Here you can see these are my handwritten notes, and I want to convert these notes into Microsoft Word file. So here check out this amazing work of Gemini. I am uploading my handwritten notes in Gemini, and then I will type prompt to convert into Microsoft Word file. Now my new prompt is convert these handwritten notes into Microsoft Word. Wait for some time and check out magic of Google Gemini. Here is our docs file. Now I am clicking on it. Here you can see our handwritten notes converted into Microsoft Word file, and notes are in bullet point. This feature is going to save a lot of time of users. If you are watching this video till yet, drop a comment and subscribe this channel. Now I am going to generate Excel file and text file using Google Gemini. My prompt is generate India all states and capital name information in Excel file and text file. Gemini is processing our request and here you can see our files are ready. Firstly, I am going to open this Excel file and then we will open text file. So here you can see this is Excel file generated by Gemini and all states and their capital is mentioned in table form. If you want to download, you can apply same process. This is an amazing creation of Gemini. Now we will open text file. So here you can see this is text file generated by Gemini and India's all states and capital mentioned here. Apart from these files, now you can generate and download Google Docs, Sheets and Slides, .csv, LaTeX, rich text format and markdown files. This feature is now available to all Gemini app users globally.